The construction of every high-rise building presents its own challenges. What they almost always have in common, however, is that they are constructed under considerable time and cost restraints, whilst ensuring the safety of all the personnel involved. At Peri, we are always striving to optimize working processes. The new ideas we have come up with for our RCS rail climbing system are no different. These ideas have seen us maximize the system in terms of speed, cost efficiency, and safety. The result? RCS Max. The RCS Max system reveals some of its strength as early as the installation stage. The components can be connected remarkably quickly and easily by means of hoses and cables, using plug-and-play functionality. The positions of the hoses and cables are predetermined in order to prevent tripping hazards. The system can be operated using either a hard-wired connection or, if desired, a wireless connection. This provides the operator with a greater freedom of movement. Generally speaking, the dead man switch functionality provides the operator with a greater degree of control and safety. As soon as the button is released on any remote control, the entire system comes to a standstill, or the entire climbing group stops. Other benefits of the RCS Max system become evident when the platforms are climbing. As clear as day, all platforms climb at the same time. This prevents exposure to open platform leading edges. Another huge benefit of synchronous climbing: speed. RCS Max is the very first climbing system to do away with the switchover between system climbing and rail climbing. Simultaneous climbing means quicker climbing cycles. And we can speed things up further still. With RCS Max Module 2, there is no need to wait until the load of the system can be attached to the fresh concrete. Instead, the system is attached one level lower. In this way, the concrete curing time is reduced and the climbing cycle quickened. The pawl indicator on the shoe makes the operator's work easier. At a glance, they can see whether the system is securely attached to the shoe. What's more, the climbing shoe installation process can be carried out conveniently at the operator's chest height, thus eliminating the need to use a ladder.
Do you hear that? The RCS Max unit is unusually quiet when it is running.
This makes it a lot easier for the staff to communicate with each other on the construction site. The overall noise level at the construction site is lower. This can also mean that climbing can be done outside normal working hours where noise restrictions may be in place. If a rare fault should occur, it is flagged up on the clearly arranged display, where it can be easily identified and rectified. In the event of overloading, for example, the system stops automatically. The same applies to collisions. These are just some examples of the many ways in which the RCS Max system can help you to overcome construction-related challenges. Optimize construction times, increase productivity, and improve safety with RCS Max from Peri.